How to remove your WhatsApp on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your WhatsApp on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and click on your profile and then click edit profile, and here just go down and you will find links. Click on it, click edit here and then click this one, remove, right, click remove and then click save, and as you see my WhatsApp number has been removed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.